Alright, well, it's not very often that I give you a selfie view because I'm always behind the camera, but I'm just about to go for my second ride on my new DIY battery. Alright, and I've got the GoPro on here. I think it's recording. Yep. I'm going to give you some footage of it, and I'm going to check the voltage again and go for my ride to the pharmacy to pick up my stuff, then come back and we'll do charging after it's cooled down. First of all, I'll check the voltage. Okay, it's unlikely you're going to see this because of the refresh rate, but it's 38.8. Alright, I think a fully discharged pack is 30 volts or something. Yeah, I should... when I looked up the table of state of charged battery voltage, I think I've got 50% left, which is very different to what my actual bike says. It's 95%. But I'll time-lapse you some footage of my ride to the pharmacy.
Thank you very much.
Hey Ben, how's it going?
Good. What's going on?
I'm in a bit of a pickle.
Sure.
Are you at home by any chance?
Yeah, I'm at home.
My chain came off my bike.
Oh no.
Because I was getting attacked by a magpie.
No. Who won?
The magpie one. And then it, you know, I've got black hands now.
No. Alright, I'll bring some tools anyway, and all those files.
Cool. I tried to call my dad, but he's not answering.
Classic.
Classic.
Yeah.
Thanks,
no one
Ben.
Never answers my phone calls either. Yeah. Alright, give me like 15 minutes.
Yeah, no worries.
Some tools and I'll come round.
Thanks, see ya.
Bye.
Here he is to the rescue. Thank goodness he's here. Alright, thanks Ben for rescuing me. I've made it back home and now we're going to check the voltage of the bike. So the state of charge according to the bike is 76. Odometer 759.4. Turn it off. I'll plug in my DIY ammeter voltmeter. 37.5 volts. So I'm going to let the bike rest, and I'm not going to charge it until I'm about to go for a ride next. So I'll loop you back in when that happens. Alright, it's been a couple of hours or so. The voltage has risen to 41.5 volts. amperage, current 1.90 amps, so it's still in constant current mode, almost full. And I will be going for a ride shortly and we'll see how much it drops when I come back. Okay, I still haven't gone for a ride yet, but I'm just about to leave now. 41.7 volts and the current has dropped to 1.02 amps, so yes, it is decreasing and tapering off as we approach fully charged. I'm going to pull it off now and check back in after I finish my ride. Okay, just finished my very short ride with my youngest, but she got scared of all the bugs. But yes, the bike does charge and we're still at 40.4 volts after that short ride. Very happy with my new pack. It discharges and charges. Thank you and catch you in the next video.